everyone, I'm Donita from Vizia and today I'll be demonstrating on how you can use our products to make your life easier. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a video to show you how to use our smart light switch. This is the touch one that we sell. This is the black one. It's a 1 gang. As you can see, it only has one button. We have the 2 gang, 3 gang and 4 gang. We also have the white range, which has also got 1, 2, 3 and 4 gang. We're going to show you how to install this switch. Stay tuned. This is the switch we're going to replace. As you can see, it's a 1 gang, it's a normal light switch. We're going to replace it with the smart switch. First things first, remember, switch your mains off. You don't want any electricity. So now we're removing this light switch. This is Francois Etzebeth. He's a qualified electrician with Instalec. He has his own business. He will be doing it for us. If you can, get an electrician to do it. If you can't, that's why we're doing the video, so you can do it yourself without damaging anything. So let's remove this switch. Okay, so we've loosened everything. This is what the back of the normal switch looks like. There's 2 cables. For our smart switch, you need to have a neutral. So you need to get an electrician to run a neutral cable for you. As you can see, we already have one that we've put in, and now we will do the whole setup. Okay, so now we're going to detach the old switch, which is going to take the screws loose. And there we go. That's our 2 cables. And remember, put your mains off. You do not want to electrocute yourself. Okay, so that's what our 1 gang looks like. It's got a plastic on. You can remove the plastic if you want. That's how nice it looks. Now we're going to connect it up for you so that you can see. So you've got your neutral. Which you'll connect. Then you take your live, which will go into the live, and you can see they've only put connectors where they need to be. Your 2 gang, 3 gang and 4 gang will obviously have connectors where they need connectors. So like this is the 1 gang, so it's only got connectors for 1 switch. Okay, and then obviously the light, which will go into L2 because that's where it is. Okay, so once it's connected, that is what it looks like. All your wires are connected. Now you need to take the front section off. As you can see, it just clips out. The front comes off, the glass section. What you do now is you put everything in and you screw this one into place so that it stays. So now it's screwed into place. Now you can put the glass plate back on. Just check it's the right way around, and it just clips on. And that's the light. Now we're going to switch on power, and I'll show you how to set it up. So as you can see, the light is working. It's on. It's flashing. So now we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So if you hold the switch for 10 seconds, let me just get it right. Maybe I should put my finger right over it. Okay, it looks like it. Okay, now to add it, as you can see, it's flashing rapidly. Okay, so on your smart life, you'll go to add device. Then it's already on electrical, so you'll just scroll up. You'll see there it says smart switch Wi-Fi. It'll open up, and then you need to put in your password. Okay, so once you've put your password in, you'll go next. Never mind. Then it says confirm indicator blinking. Let's see. It's blinking. So we'll say confirm, and it's blinking quickly. So we just say quickly, and it will start adding the device. And you'll notice on the device, as it's adding, it stops flashing. We'll just let it add quickly. Okay, once it's added, it shows up like that. Then you do that, and there's your light switch is connected, and you say done. Then it'll open it up. Okay, when it's open, that is what it looks like. So you'll go, that's to switch it on. As you can see, light is on. Touch it again, and light is off. It can also work on the switch. You can switch it on, and you can switch it off. Now on the app, you can change some settings. If you go to edit in the top corner, and you go to edit over there, you can change. You can say where you want it. Like this one's now obviously in my dining room, and if I say location, I can choose dining room. Then I know where it is, and I'll say save, and it comes up, it's in dining room. Let's just go back one more, and there's a whole lot of other settings that you can change on your own, whatever you want. You can go back to the normal switch. At the bottom, it's obviously the on and off, and you've got timer. So if you, let's say you go to bed 10 o'clock at night, you can add a timer for it to, you can choose which days you want it to do it. Let's go back. You can choose whether you want it to go on or off, as you can see, and you can choose the time, and you'll just save it, and that will add a schedule, and it will work according to that schedule. And yes, that's how you add it onto the, it works. Thank you.